Hey my fellow investors, I hope you're doing great. So in today's video, we are looking at day trading. Does day trading really make money like there's so many financial gurus tell us on the internet? Or are they trying to sell us their courses by making us to believe that they are beating the market? Let's explore this more. So before we jump into the video, please make sure you have subscribed to the channel and hit those notifications for more videos like this. So I recently came across a very scary statistic from one of the bigger public trading platforms. It was an analysis showing that 80% of day traders are unprofitable over the course of a year. I wasn't surprised because I read somewhere else that 75% of day traders end up quitting within just a few years. Now, for those of you who are not aware what day trading is, this is a style of investing in which you buy and sell a stock or any other investment within a shorter period of time. That can be from minutes to a day or two. Now, this type of investment relies on daily momentum and price fluctuations in the market to make a quick short-term profit, or that's the idea anyway. So in 1999, the North American Security Administration Association, or NASA, I wonder why they called it a name, but anyway, according to NASA, 70% of day traders will lose nearly all their money, with only 12% of them actually making a profit on their short-term trades. And now those numbers have only gotten worse because of different platforms are now offering commission-free trading, where people can trade as much as they want for free. And that gives people who want to give this investment strategy a try a way forward. Now the question is, why do people lose money? The likelihood of losing money with day trading is just incredibly high from just looking at the numbers. But still, a lot of people will insist that they are smarter than the average day trader, that they will somehow land in the 20% category that didn't lose money year after year for the rest of their life. Now, which brings me to the next big questions of why day traders lose money, and that is overconfidence. Now, most investors are overconfident in their abilities, leading them to trade more aggressively, taking on more risk, and therefore losing more money. Now, a study conducted in 2017 found that when stock traders were successful and made a profit, they attributed the profit to their ability rather than luck. Now, on the opposite side, when day traders lost money, they often attributed it to bad luck and downplayed their losses, leading them to want to keep on going. Now, overconfidence like this is dangerous because it makes you more likely to jump into a trade without doing enough research, or staying in a trade for too long when you don't want to say to yourself, maybe you are wrong. Someone somewhere once said regarding investing, especially with day trading, that ego is your worst enemy, and admitting to yourself that maybe you are wrong about something is a hard pill to swallow. Now, the hardest barrier to overcome with day trading is likely your emotions, because anytime you invest, there are 4 emotions that are going to creep up. That is hope, greed, fear, and regret. Now, often these emotions will overpower any amount of logic out there, because if you take a look at hope, you're always hopeful you'll make a ton of money, just like that financial guru that you saw on YouTube making millions of dollars by investing in a no-name penny stock or whatever they're selling you through their courses. Then if you take a look at greed, people get greedy when you see your stock go up in value and think, how much more can it go up in value? Now, this is just the beginning, because if I just hold on to it like a bit longer, I'm going to make more money. I'm telling you, greed is a bad thing. Then we have fear. It's the fear of missing out on a profit if you just hold on to it a little bit longer than you should. It's a fear of losing money that causes you to sell the stock as soon as it goes down in value. Now, even though it may end up going back or skyrocketing in the next few hours. Now, the fear of loss is much more powerful motivator than potential profits. Then on the other emotion, the last emotion, is regret. Now, this one I hear all the time, because people regret buying a stock. People regret not buying a stock, selling too soon or not selling soon enough. and many more reasons people will give. And then they end up thinking that because they made that mistake, they won't make it again the next time they do this day trading. Now, all the reasons I've mentioned below are varied. Don't get me wrong. However, the number one reason why 80% of day traders lose money is the risk that they take on. Now, I compare day trading to gambling because you are betting on the stock you are buying on either to go down or go up in a specific time frame. Now, in the end, day trading is the most common get-rich-quick scheme on the internet. Now, people believe it's just an easy way to make money from their computer or smartphone, and they think they can somehow beat the market, like that financial guru that I talked about, who's out there promoting his stock trading course or system. Now, if this really was a magic, right, system to day trading that could earn you 100% profits in a year, there's no way that course will be selling for $49. Just think about it. Come on, God. You think somebody's going to sell you a course which is costing $49 to make millions? Now, for me, just like I mentioned, the way I look at day trading is no different than casinos. You can put a few dollars into it that you may otherwise spend at a casino, and you may get lucky a few times in a row, but in the end, the house always wins. Now, in this video, I've given you all the reasons why day traders lose money, but I didn't even talk about the time they spend on the screen of their computer and the taxes that they have to pay at the end of the year. And anyway, that will be for another video. I hope you like the content in this video. If you agree with me or disagree with me, just leave a comment below and tell me what you think. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future. And please share the video. See you in my next video.